Is right now the perfect time to buy Roblox? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video. And to answer this question, we're going to use this Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we have a look at the price, we can see that from around this low, price exploded up to this high before we saw this retracement. So if we draw this tool from this low to this high, we get something like this. The way this Fibonacci tool works is these levels act as key levels for the price. So for instance, we can see that price found some resistance here, and when stock prices start retracing, they usually tend to come down to this dark green area known as the golden zone, find support in this area and bounce back up. And it looks like that is what's currently happening with the Roblox stock as well. So based on this, what are some good prices to buy at? The first price you might want to consider getting into this stock at, or potentially averaging down at, is going to be this level here. This is $61.89. And the level below that is going to be around here. This is $58.71. We often tend to see the price coming down to test this golden area multiple times before going up. And what investors using this Fibonacci retracement tool like to do is they like to buy when the price retraces to the higher Fibonacci level and then average down if the price retraces further to the next level. So that's an entry strategy you might want to consider. However, getting a good entry is only step one. It is equally important to have an exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering if I'm currently holding or planning to invest in Roblox. The answer is the majority of my portfolio is built around a game-changing strategy. This strategy is tracking trades made by US politicians because over the years, their investments have consistently delivered returns that blow traditional strategies out of the water. So I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you're curious about how I do it and how you can too, I put together a free video that walks you through everything. You'll learn how to spot trades right when key politicians make their moves and also see the returns this strategy has delivered over the last 3 years. If this is something you'd like to learn more about, the link to the free video is in the description below. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and pulling this tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something like this. And the way this works is these levels of the Fibonacci extension tool act as resistance for the price. And knowing that investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these levels, so if the price retraces from one of these levels, it puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount. So what are some prices where we might see some strong resistance and where you might want to potentially take some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $81.96. The next level is going to be around here. This is $87.74. The level after that is going to be around here. This is $105. And the final level is going to be around here. This is $132. So locking in some profits around these levels as the price climbs up could be an exit strategy worth considering. I will be making update videos as the price reaches these key levels. So if you want to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button. That helps the channel reach more people interested in this content. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you want to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.